Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike. I have no idea why I'm holding this. I'm here to teach you, ladies and gentlemen, who are watching your girlish figure like I am myself, how to make a skinny margarita. You heard me, skinny margarita with no sugar. Here we go. So first you're gonna start off with your finest tequila that you have at your house. It could be whatever you want it to be. Mine just so happens to be Patron because my wife loves that stuff. Anyway, 2 ounces of that right into your shaker. Yep. Okay. Then we'll do 3/4 ounce Cointreau. If you want, just to add a little sweetness, since we are not adding sugar at all, even agave, we're not doing any of that. I would advise maybe another 1/4 ounce if you want, or a splash of Cointreau just to balance out the drink, because I'm gonna put a full ounce of pressed lime juice. I spared you the time of juiciness. I did not want you to watch me do the juice. But I mean, you can watch me do the juice, you just gotta ask me in the comments below. Maybe I just don't want to talk about juice the whole time, okay? Enough with the juice. Anyway, you take your lime juice, your Cointreau, and your Patron all in one glass, and then you take your ice. You see, yeah, a little ice action. And then you take your shaker, and then you shake it up. You gotta be happy about it. Over the right shoulder, smiling the whole time. 2 different directions, all up and clear. All right. Now, you might not like salt, but I do. So I take a little piece of lime and you rub the edge ever so nicely. And you take it upside down into the salt rimmer. And now you have a salted rim, like so. Oh. All right. And then you take your margarita. You will now top it up with a little bit of your ice. And then you'll take the Grand Marnier finish, about a 1/2 ounce, right on top, along with your sexy piece of lime you cut for yourself. And boom, look at that. Here we go. You could even take a little time to mix that Grand Marnier right up in there with your straw or spoon, whatever you like. And this is a perfectly balanced drink. I love it because there is almost no sugar other than the liquors you're putting in it. There is no sugar, and it is really juicy and delicious margarita skinny style. Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and that was your skinny margarita. Everything you see here is in a link below. Feel free to look at it, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.